Hi everyone, in this video we shall see how weekly off is assigned to individual employees. To create weekly off, you need to go to employees, more, under more employees, under employees leave management, manage week off. You need to select the code and the name of employee. Once this has been done, it shows designation, department and branch. You can choose whether weekly off can be assigned either yearly basis or monthly basis. If you check yearly basis, you can give the week off as Thursday. If you want, you can assign it on monthly basis too and click on apply. So, the week off of this particular employee is been assigned. To assign weekly off for bulk employees, you need to choose import option, select the month and click on template. The downloaded sheet contains the names of employee as well as the number of days in a month. So, we need to assign the weekly off to all the employees in a particular month. So, if you want to assign weekly off, you need to click on W for the selected date and mark as weekly off for selected employee. For an example, Rajat, Tuesday is week off. I need to enter W. So, this will be marked as week off for that particular employee. And for Deepika, Monday is week off. So, every Monday she has week off. Once the week off is been assigned to employees, you need to save this file in desktop. The same file will be imported in application. Choose a file and click on import. Once this file has been imported, it shows a message details saved successfully. So, the week off is been assigned for all the employees. Thanks for watching this video. For further queries, please contact our support team.